there are a few actions that you can start honoring in your life from today, dear Capricorn. And I'm sharing this with you because partly it's important that you take rest. It's important that you move at a pace that serves you to feel that the mind and body is deeply rested. Excuse me. And then also there are decisions and actions that you're ready to take in your life now. These are not things that you can place on the side burner and come back to a little bit later. So some of these, let's just call it actions. Some of these actions are going to require you to operate from a space that feels rested. And that means your nervous system needs to feel relaxed. The muscles in your body need to feel rested. And I want you to envision, this is a bit of an exercise that I'll give for the Capricorns. Excuse me, take a moment to have a look at the muscular system in the body, right? And then go into your imagination. It's going to sound a bit strange, but just go with me here if you can. I'm going to recommend that you imagine that you pull out certain big muscles in your body and you kind of wring them a little bit, squeeze them, and then put them back in. And when you put them back in, they feel deeply relaxed. It's almost like you're pulling out the muscles and you're giving it a really good massage. You might even, in your imagination, see yourself soaking it in water, cleaning, and then putting it back in. I tell you, this does wonders. It's almost as though you've come back from the most deepest, most powerful massage of your life. Okay? So this you'll do with every muscle in your body, or as many of them, perhaps more the big muscles than the small muscles in your body. Take the time today to go into your imagination and see each muscle, see yourself relaxing the muscle, washing it, cleaning it, putting it, or squeezing it, massaging it, and then putting it back into the body. I feel like it's a process that could take about 20 minutes, could take an hour, who knows. And then notice how you feel once you've completed this exercise.